What's up guys, Adam and Time Warp here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take this tank and turn it into this, using nothing but LiME automotive spray paint. Let's get started. First thing, we're going to use some wax and grease remover to make sure that the surface that we are painting is clean and free of any contaminants. Next, we're going to scuff down the surface to make sure we have good adhesion. Once we have that done, we're going to clean the surface again with wax and grease remover. LiME High Build Primer is a direct-to-metal primer. This will protect the metal from corrosion and provide a good surface for the paint to stick to. In about 10 to 15 minutes, the primer will be dry and ready to sand. You can use 400 to 800 grit sandpaper to achieve this, 600 grit being optimal. Metal flake paint looks best applied over black base coat. It's better to apply light coats of base coat to build up full coverage. This can be achieved by applying 4 to 5 light coats with a 5 to 10 minute wait window in between. Next, I'm going to use Sky Blue Metal Flake from LiME. I'm going to use the same techniques as I did on the black base coat, applying light coats until I get the desired effect that I want. Once applied, metal flake creates a textured finish that we want to smooth out and protect. We achieve this by applying LiME double shot clear coat. This 2-part clear coat in a can will last for 24 hours once activated, giving you professional results. And that's it. Be sure to check out all of the LiME paint supplies. Thanks for watching.